I'm here at the corner of Young and Finch. Nice. Nice. I did mention Young and Finch is an area known as the second Koreatown, or unofficial Koreatown. So because I mentioned it, I was gonna try and catch the bus, but maybe I'll give you an idea of what I mean here. And maybe I'll catch the bus after. But we'll take a look at some of these businesses here. Lots of Korean businesses here. Lots of very tasty eats. I haven't tried a lot of these places. There's that's pretty cool, Twister Karaoke. We have to do a live stream, and that'll be fun. Maybe we have to do a live stream of that sometime. It is early in the morning here, so I will be doing a video at some point showing the nightlife. I'm sure that'll be more interesting to a lot of there's a walk-in train and a lot of my wonderful viewers. At the Shoppers Drug Mart, approximately 6:35 a.m. It is raining, pretty nice. You still won't see you still won't see that much traffic yet. Maybe in another hour things will really pick up. But I'm walking here on Yonge Street, south on Yonge Street, just to show you some cool views here. Of the unofficial Koreatown. I say unofficial, there's an H Mart. You'll see more of those along the way. Very well-known Korean grocery store. But you'll still see a lot of Chinese restaurants. I think there's another karaoke place. Charcoal and Salt Restaurant Karaoke. So as you can tell, nice. As you can tell, karaoke is a popular thing amongst Koreans. I myself, I am of a Korean ethnic background. My ethnic background is Korean. My dear parents born in South Korea. I was born in Canada. Unfortunately, I won't be able to translate anything. I don't speak or read and write Korean. I really should be learning my mother tongue. I think it'd be pretty cool to give you this tour in the pouring rain. I mean, you won't see that many people, you won't see that much foot traffic. It's still very early in the morning. I'm an early riser, but it is cool to see with the rain, and it's still dark out, so it'd be cool to see all the lighting of the businesses. I know they're all closed, but I promise I will do a night walk of Koreatown. Or I should say the unofficial Koreatown. The official Koreatown, you know, Bloor and Bathurst and Bloor and Christie. I figure I'll walk maybe until about North York Center. One thing I will say, definitely makes for a lot easier filming. Definitely makes for a lot easier filming. I don't have to, as you can see, it's almost like I have the sidewalk to myself. But earlier when I was walking on that island on Yonge Street, right near Yonge and Finch, I did mention Yonge and Finch area is a lot of Korean businesses. And no shortage of options to eat. Plenty of good eats. And I'll be doing a more in-depth tour where I take you inside some restaurants and give you recommendations. I get asked all the time because there are so many choices. Sometimes it can be overwhelming. What's good to eat? Right now, I just want to give you just a quick look here as I walk in the rain. Tiger sugar, I'm guessing that's boba. You get some really do some awesome bus fanning here. There's the 97. I'd love to catch some footage of the bus. I missed a great chance to do that. When I seen a YRT bus, pass by. And all the water along the wheels. The 97 I was going to catch should be passing by momentarily, but I'll probably be catching the one after that by the time I finish the tour. I figured why not, since I already mentioned you could describe Yonge and Finch area as like a Koreatown. But it's not only Korean. You do see plenty of Chinese, and you know, there are some places from other cultures here as well. It's not just, you know, Korean. There are other options, plenty of options. Maybe not as much, not as many options as you would face other parts of the city maybe, but if you are craving Korean food, this is definitely you want to check out. If here, this area, as well as Koreatown on Bloor. That's another H Mart. That's a bigger location. Bigger, more busier. I think I did a snow walk on this stretch. Now we're doing a rain walk. My iPhone is definitely up to the task, hopefully. iPhone 14 Pro Max has been through a lot. A lot of really fierce elements. Rain, snow. The Owl's Meat Shop. And they also have the Owl food. And some of the best, oh, it's open 24 hours. Some of the best Korean barbecue, honestly, from here. And it was a takeout too. Now, I'll have to try it again, just to make sure that's still the case. But I was really surprised. Takeout, no less. Some of the best I ever had. Maybe, but I'll have to try it again just to make sure. Maybe I just got lucky. Maybe I was, maybe I was really craving Korean barbecue. '97 rolling by. Maybe I left when you order through like delivery apps, Uber Eats. I think I used Skip the Dishes that time. DoorDash and all those food delivery companies. Sometimes the restaurant, it's a very restaurant industry not having it easy, just still recovering. Many still recovering. These are tough economic times, and many restaurants you'll see they'll ask for a gratuity. I mean, it's a given. I mean, you should be tipping. I mean, it's a given, right? But some ask if you can maybe some people they forget, or maybe ask for a little bit more. I tipped very well, and they appreciated that. No, I don't want to. They appreciated that. So they gave me some extra goodies, and maybe I don't know. Maybe somehow that helped make the Korean barbecue taste so good. But that was yeah, when I ordered from the Owl of Minerva. I almost feel tempted to go in now. 24 hours open. I'm not gonna find too many places open right now. See mostly coffee shops open as I walk here on ice. The reason I did this is in case somebody was walking through there. At least here I can sort of point the camera away. And I'm really enjoying sharing with all of you wonderful people. I like to call you my friends, to explore with me. The sights and sounds of Toronto. This is a sort of the northern part of Toronto. I will definitely be doing a more in-depth tour, recommending you good places to eat, because I get asked that all the time. What's good to eat here? So many Korean restaurants, especially. I think we're getting pretty close to North York Center and Mount Lassen Square. Guess I'll wrap up my tour. There's a pho. There's pho. So you got some Vietnamese option. Pho 88. I like pho. I like pho a lot. I know around Jane and Finch, there are many Vietnamese folks and plenty of good Vietnamese eats, like around Jane and Finch and sort of like Jane and Shepherd kind of. There's a shawarma. I remember one time right across the street there, I was on a 97 and shouts out to all the wonderful bus operators. The bus engine wouldn't start. So always remember that. This condo has some pretty nice options here. They got an aroma espresso bar. I mentioned before. They have some good eats. They actually have a cook that prepares fresh food. There's Fiorio hair salon. But we're here at Yonge and Parkholme. Wondering if I should end it here